Hello everyone. I welcome you at my channel on the channel English Tech Coach. This is Sandeep Raghuvanshi and I'm gonna actually start our discussion with my dear students Anuj Raghuvanshi and Ajay Ahirwar. Today you will be having a fun, a knowledge about English because they are gonna share their personal views and experience of life in the journey of English. Okay, are you ready? Are you ready, Ajay? Okay. So, Anuj, I want you to start. Just to tell me something about your own personal, the journey of English, and something for the beginners as well.
So, sir, as you asked me about my own experience, so if I will tell about it, then I was good in reading English. But when I will talk about the grammatical portion, then it was not so good, and I was very weak in it. The grammar was just like a horror movie for me. It was very difficult. But when I came here and meet with sir, and when sir taught me topics of grammar, tense, passive voice, parts of speech, and many more, then automatically I understand the grammar, and now I am comfortable with the grammar.
Okay, yes, Ajay, it's your turn now.
Okay, I have completed my class 12 as a Hindi medium student. Then I felt the importance of English. So after completing my 12th, I joined English coaching classes. That time I don't had such knowledge about the basic rules of grammar and my vocab. Then I started my journey with Sandeep sir, and right now I can say I have knowledge about grammar and my vocab, so I can speak fluently. And as I am performing right now in front of you. Okay.
Uh, Everyone, we all understand it is said very famous proverb. If it is well started, then it's half done. So really, you could really have a start well. Now I want to progress it, propel it, and now as it is mentioned in the topic is importance of English worldwide. But before we actually go to world, I'm very curious and know about the importance for India. So yes, your words, Anuj, for English and India.
So if I will talk about the importance of English in India, so we can understand the importance of English in India by the fact. So the fact is this, that English is the second most English speaking country in the world. English is the second most sorry. India is the second most English speaking country in the world. So by this we can understand the importance of English in India, and now the official language of India is also English. And if I will talk about our national education policy, so I am not satisfied with it very much, because they have not given that much appropriate attention for English.
Right, Anuj, you really rightly mentioned about new education policy which is proposed, not actually finally enacted or finalized. What do you think about this policy and your views for India and English? Yes, Ajay.
As Anush told about the national education policy and the importance of English, from first standard to fifth standard, a student will have choice to learn English as a optional subject. But after completing fifth, how can one make himself to be fluent with English because he has not learned English from sixth standard? Okay, and we all know that English is an international language. We having understanding the knowledge of importance of knowledge importance yeah, having understood the importance of English. I don't know why government is not focusing, but as a student, this is my suggestion that we should focus because we understand the importance of English in worldwide. Okay.
Okay, nice. Now let's move to the world, the globe. So I feel India really needs a world recognition, and it's English the channel, not ABCD channel. It's English the channel because language works as a channel for thoughts. So Anuj, how would you like to just be a the proud Indian, just to make India a proud through English? Your thoughts?
Okay, so if I I will talk about that how I can make proud my country through English. So, sorry, I don't get you. I didn't get you.
Actually, my question is simply the importance of English worldwide, and so that you are an Indian, and because of English, you will be known globally. How it is gonna be in our life?
Okay, so if I will tell you about the importance of English worldwide, then the English is the official language of the 53 countries, and about 40 and about 400 million people speaks English all around the world. So this shows the importance of English worldwide, and English is also the international language. So the word international with English is enough to tell about the importance of English.
Yes, Ajay. Now I'm passing the ball to you, in your side. Just tell me about worldwide importance of English, and how do you look forward it?
As you all know the importance of English, many international organizations such as UNO, WTO, WHO, and they use English as their official language. So why this we can understand many famous businessmen, politicians, and authors. They write they write in English, they think in English. If we are unable to understand English, then how can we know about their thoughts, their process? So it's most important. If I talk about how a learner should speak English and how he can start his journey. So there are four pillars. First one is just read. Just read, and what do you read? Try to write that. When you read and write, try to listen something that in that you takes interest, and after doing three process you would be a perfect English speaker because you have done all four steps. Okay.
Very nice suggestions by Ajay. There are four pillars of English. First one is reading, writing, listening, and speaking. What do you think? And I want you to conclude now the discussion, Anuj. And a few words, very general statement for beginners, because beginners really feel very much difficulty. I have felt. So your words for beginners.
So if I will talk about the beginners, then there are only two main problems in front of beginner when they start learning English. So that are grammar and the vocabulary. So if I will talk about the grammar, then we can take the knowledge of grammar from the grammatical books and from coaching institutions. But vocabulary is also a main problem in front of the people who are just started learning English. So for vocabulary, I want to suggest them that they should read the English magazines, English newspapers. They should watch English news channels, and have some knowledge about the English books. So if you will make yourself strong with these two things, with the grammar and with the vocabulary, then you can be a perfect reader, perfect speaker of English.
Yeah, Ajay, would you like to conclude? Do you want to say? Yeah.
At last, I just want to say that a perfect practice makes a man perfect. So keep on working on your drawbacks of your language, English. So keep on working, practicing, and then you would be a perfect English speaker. And okay, sir.
Thank you, Anuj and Ajay. And dear viewers, I hope you would have enjoyed. Keep watching only English Coach. Thank you very much.